Here I am on this says, for lack of a better word, I don't know, I just hammered it in, but you know, these come out fairly easily. You know, you need to take the door off, you know, this is what you gotta do. There you go. Get this, I screw it in, and it creates either less or more room. This gotta be screwed out. There. Now, you can force it, honestly, you know, when I come in, I'm not walking like that, but let's see. And I could adjust it now. Let me see. Let's see if it's, I need a little bit more, there. See now. I'll have to push it really hard to hit it. Maybe a little bit less. Just a tad. There. That's how I want it. That's fine. Cool.